Hello everyone, today we're looking at this ARGB controller. It lets you connect and control up to 10 ARGB devices from single motherboard header. Inside the package, we have the main controller unit, a 3-pin ARGB cable, and the mounting sticker. The controller has 10 ARGB ports, so you can connect up to 10 devices at once. It's powered by SATA, directly from your power supply, so there is no risk of overloading your motherboard. Connect the 3-pin cable on your motherboard. Stick the controller inside your case. Connect the 3-pin cable from your motherboard to the controller. Now plug all the devices that you want to control. Don't forget to plug the SATA cable from your power supply. Once everything connected, turn on the PC. You can use your motherboard software to control everything. If you want to buy the product from AliExpress, you will find the link in the video description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.